Today, we're going to be playing Nerf War. Shh. So YouTube, it's on. I want to see the whole view from here. The whole view. So, just wait until I come back. This gun's out. I have to throw it out. Without ammo. I'll be back. I have to go find some. Oh, there's one right here. Oh, sweet. I'll be back. This ammo's out. Gotta get a new one. We'll go find one. Best one of all. This one. Ammo. Go get another gun. Now this is what I'm talking about. This Nerf gun. Nerf gun upgraded. This one's already out of ammo. This one's already out of ammo. I get a new one. A machine gun. Let's go. Out of ammo. Gotta get another. Upgraded gun. Go. I don't know. Out of ammo. Got a new one. Let's go. Woo! Check out my video and you will like it. Make sure you subscribe to that and leave a comment. Peace.